Are you hungry, Jamie? Did he even eat all his food? What are you doing over there, Joey? Huh?
Looking at drawings.
What kind of drawings?
Cool drawings.
Why are they cool drawings?
What the hell is this? A unicorn!
I didn't draw that.
Shelby did that.
It was Ashley Schooler.
A girl that I dated when I was in Jackson.
Who's whore?
I want to draw.